Guys, welcome back again to another video. This is part 2 of exponential and logarithmic equations. This is Math Stats. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't done that take a moment and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be alert when I put another video. Without any delay, let's get active. So this time we are talking about we're gonna be continuing to solve for x, but this is gonna be a different way. For instance, we're gonna go in easy mode. Log ooh, let's say we have log 5 x minus 1 equals 1, meaning that log base 5, right? How do we solve for x? Do you guys remember when we had that log base b of x? Oh, not x. Log base b of y equals x. Remember what that means? How to write this? Well, basically b of x equals y. Well, this is exactly what we have right here. We have a log base b of y equal x. So we're gonna have the base, right? 5 to the power of 1 equals x minus 1. But since we know that that's equal to 5, so it will be 5 equals to x minus 1. And well, if you add 1 on both sides, we get x equal 6. Right? Now, can we prove this? Yes. How do we prove it? Let's put 6 for x. So we have log base 5, 6 minus 1 equals 1. So that would be log base 5 of 5 equals 1, right? So we know that this would be b, that's y, and that's x. So that would be b of x, b to the power of x equals y. So would 5 to the power of 1 equal 5? Right? Yes. So that means x equals 6 is correct. Let's do another one. A little bit more fun. Let's say we have log base 3 of x squared plus 6x equal 3, right? What would that be? Well, we already know it's gonna be equal to 3 to the power of 3 equals x squared plus 6x, right? And we can just, what is 3 to the power of 3? It's 27. So we have 27. Actually, I can just write as x squared plus 6x equal 27. And we're going to subtract 27 on both sides. So I get x squared plus 6x minus 27 equals 0. And now we are back to just simply algebra stuff. So remember your a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and things of that nature? If you don't, you need them right now. So we need to find a number. When you multiply it, you get 27. And when you add them together, you get 6. And the only numbers that you can add together and get 6 and multiply and get 27 is 9 and 3. So it would be x. Now we can do the longer way, by doing the expansion, but since that one is actually pretty easy, I'm not gonna do the expansion on that one. So I get x minus equals 0. So let's put a 3 here and a 9, right? We have a positive 6, so it will be plus 9. So that would be x plus 9 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. So that means x equals negative 9 or x equals 3. Now we need to find out which one of those two is correct. So let's put each of them back into the function. So I get log 3. If we put 3, that would be 3 squared, right? Plus 6 times 3 equal to 3. So would 3 power of 3 equal to, what is 3 squared? 9 plus 6 times 3 is equal to 20, is equal to 18. So 27, does that equal to that? Yes. So yes, so 3 works. How about negative 9? So we have log 3 negative 9 squared. Oops, let me say that again. That would be negative 9 squared plus 6 times negative 9 equal 3. So we would have 27. What is 9? What is negative 9 squared? It's going to be 81. What is 6? What is 6 times negative 9? 54. Now, does 27 equal to that? Well, what is 81 minus 54? We have 4 and 11, that's 7. 1 and 6. 1 and 5 is 6. And from 8 is 2. So, yes, 27 does equal to 27. So that means both of these are correct. Okay, so that one is also correct. So that means these are both the answers. Why can I just, okay, let's do that instead. This one is also correct. So that's how it is, guys. I did not think that was gonna be that long, because we're gonna do something that is even longer now. Okay, let's say another example. Let's say we have, let's say we have log of 5, log base 5, 3x minus log 5, x squared minus 1 equal to log 5 of 2. I have no idea if that's going to be hard or easy. So how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Actually, I'm thinking that we do a log of 5, 3x over x squared minus 1 equal to log of 5 of 2. Alright? So now, what I'm going to do is, because I have log of 5 on both sides, I can get rid of that and say 3x over x squared minus 1 equal to 2. So now that means I have 3x equal to 4x squared minus 2. Okay? Which means I can just say 4x squared minus 2 minus 3x equal to 0. I just subtracted the 3x on both sides. Alright? So now what I can do is I can rewrite this as 4x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. And I'm going to do the quadratic formula. You know what? Do you guys remember your quadratic formula? Well, if you don't remember, it's negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Yes, so that would be negative b is negative, what is b? B is negative 3 plus or minus, what is b squared? It's going to be a negative 3 squared minus 4 times a is 4 times c is negative 2 over 2a, 2 times 4. So I get 3 plus or minus, I have a 9 minus negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Positive 8 times 4 is 32 over 8. So that means we're going to have a imaginary number. So that would be 3/8 plus or minus the square root of negative 23 over 8. So that would be 3/8 plus or minus I square root of 23 over 8. And that's all we can do right now for this one, because there is nothing else that we can actually do. I don't know if we're supposed to have any, I would say, imaginary numbers in this one, but as of right now, this is gonna be looking like an imaginary number. So, so would that mean in this case that there is no solution? Possibly, it could be that means there is no solution. Okay? Yes, it could mean that there is no solution, because we're not supposed to have any imaginary number on this one, I'm thinking. So let me know if that one is right, makes sense to you. I think it's gonna be either that or, unless I made a mistake on that thing, but I don't think I made any mistake at all. Yes, I made a mistake. That's what I thought. I made a mistake. Whew, guys, I made that mistake. That's what I thought. Ooh, negative 4 times 2, that's going to be positive 32. Yes, it's positive 32. And that's why I was like, wait a minute. Unless I made a mistake, there's a chance I made a mistake. Yes, it's going to be, remember, it's negative 4 times a times c. Negative 4 negative 4 times a is 4, that's negative 16, times c is negative 2, times that's going to be positive 32. So it's going to be 3 plus or minus square root of 41/8. That's the answer. My bad, guys. I made a bad mistake on this one. But the good thing is I caught it. So that would be your answer. Almost. Alright, guys. So I must stop it right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. And that notification bell. And of course, you can always donate to my Cash App, PayPal, and Zelle. They are all in the description down below. This is Masters. Hope to see you guys again. Until then, Masters out.